Hi, my name is Jenna Wolf. I am the owner and founder of the Lotus Room Ayurveda, a holistic wellness studio here in Nashville, Tennessee. It really came out of a desire to create a new kind of healing space in Nashville that hadn't yet existed. We then become a beacon of light and healing for our families and our community and our working relationships. The early days, it was almost solely word of mouth and just sharing what I loved to do with people. I hosted a ton of workshops. We really utilized the online space to showcase what it feels like to be here and how you will feel when you show up in this house. You know, these bigger spas in the corporate world, being able to launch these apps, and when it became possible and accessible to us, it was a game changer. Kicking off the project was a little daunting. It wasn't scary. I think the Vyten team did just such a great job of laying out what the steps were, what the strategy was, what the timeline was gonna look like, just making sure everything was, up to muster to make sure that we could launch this project. The Vyten team made it so easy to know what to do and walked me through every step of the way. Even if I had a question or hit some red tape, they were always there to support me through that. We have been able to niche down our broader community that's on our email list through our app to people who are really engaged, really loyal to this space. And so we utilize that as a digital tool a lot to directly reach our clients who we know are interested in what we're doing and want to participate and be part of the community, and has really changed the trajectory of what we can do as a business and has been rewarding in so many ways. And I never thought it would be as accessible as it is, but now that we are here, I'm proud to say that we have an app as well as an independent studio. Push notifications that we utilize the most, any kind of appointment like last minute where we are very busy space, and so if we have an opening on a weekend or during the week where we know somebody's gonna want to receive a treatment, that has been so successful and useful for us through those push notifications. As well as that, whenever we are running any kind of special or launching a new service, kind of getting the word out there about what is new or exciting at the studio, those have been the most successful. We've noticed that people who download the app utilize and open the app 2.5 times more than visiting our website. So they have easier access to booking through the app, which takes that one step out of having to go online, go onto the website. They can just open the app and our booking platform is right there. So we've been able to increase bookings and maintain consistency on our schedule, and our clients have really easy access to being able to make appointments. I felt like so cool to be able to have an app and to be able to share that with the world, and it was so accessible. And no, I did not think we would be able to do that, and I'm proud to say we are here. We have seen that when a client downloads our app after their first visit here to the studio, they are 4 times more likely to come back again. There's no greater ROI than that, to have somebody coming back into your studio and building that relationship with clients. So that has been the greatest return on the investment. Would I recommend small business owners to use Vyten for their mobile app? Yes, hell yes, 5 stars. It has been the best investment for us to grow our business, fill our schedule, connect with clients directly who are already engaged with the brand. And yeah, I would recommend it to any small business out there. You need an app.